Hey there guys, I have strep throat, so today's video will be presented by Oliver the AI. Today we'll be painting Taroya the pit fighter from Reaper miniatures to the core level standard. First thing we want to do is use a scalpel or other such sharp blade to trim the casting line off the model. Make sure you take care during this stage and only cut away from yourself. I've basecoated the whole model with cursed gold using my airbrush, but you can do this by hand if you prefer. Use cinnamon red to paint the cloak and the crest on her helmet. Use swarthy flesh to paint any exposed areas of skin. This paint might be called Barbarian flesh, depending on the batch. Don't worry, it's the same paint. Mix swarthy flesh and dungeon grey together and use this to paint the base of the miniature. Coat her loincloth, sword and the outer half of her shield with dungeon grey. For the washes stage, water down some dungeon grey and wash this over the entire model. When that is dry, the model is complete. Don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we will see you soon.